Hi everyone, I'm just jumping on with another quick haul that arrived today. It's just small, it's just some patterned paper, but because I got a great deal I wanted to share it with you. So this was purchased from a UK company and they are called Imagine DIY. They do quite a lot of wedding stationery supplies. And they've got 80% off their patterned paper just now, and this is the A4 size paper that they're doing. So I bought 10 of each sheet, and I'll show you the ones that I got today, but they've got loads of other ones, but these are just the ones that caught my eye. I could have bought loads, but I didn't, and I kind of limited it a bit. So for under £10 shipped, I think this is quite good. So the first one I got is this nice light pink polka dot paper, and it's got, I mean, it's not the thickest, but it's got a bit of texture to it, and I thought this would be good for covering like mini albums and, you know, projects where you're covering chipboard and you don't want it to be that thick. Excuse me. So that was the first one, and I got 10 sheets of that. The next one is this parrot paper, and I think this is gorgeous. Excuse me. Yeah, so it's got little parrots on it, and again I got 10 sheets of that, and this has got a texture to it as well, and it's got quite a nice texture to it. Whereas this, the pink polka dot one is kind of, I can't describe it, but it's kind of, you can feel like a crosshatch type pattern on the paper. Whereas this one is more, you know, like a bobbly kind of texture on the paper. It's just really nice. You'll have to excuse, my breathing's really bad today, so I'm trying my best. So the next one that I got, it's around the wrong way, is pears, and I just think this is beautiful. And this has got the same texture as the parrot paper. It's really nice. It's, I don't know if you can see that or not on the camera, or if it's picking it up, the texture on it. It's maybe too patterned to be able to pick the texture up. But again, it's not too thick. And again, it'll be good for covering book covers and things like that. So that was that one. And the next one is this kind of light blue wood grain, light blue and brown wood grain. Turn it round that way, that'd be better for you. And this is smooth, there's no texture to this. And again, it's a similar weight of paper, great for covering books and making projects. Post-it note holders, loads of different things. So that was the blue wood grain effect. Now this one's got wee birds all over it, and again this one's textured, and this has got the same texture as the polka dot pink one. And again, I just thought it was kind of fresh looking and, you know, pleasing on the eye. It's just a nice wee patterned paper, and actually when I'm looking at it through the camera, it's like it's in squares, if you can see that. So that was that one. And the next one I got was black and white stripes. And these are kind of shiny. Yeah, picking up the shine on that. And these are smooth, there's no texture to this. And the reason that I got these ones was I thought these would look great on making up rosettes, because I bought the Tim Holtz latest rosette die that came out. And I thought this would be great for Halloween. So that's the reason why I bought that one. And then I've got it in the blue stripe as well. And again, you can see it's quite shiny. It doesn't look shiny when you look down on it from above, but when you put it up at an angle, you can see the shine. And again, rosettes were in mind. Rosettes were in mind for that one when I bought that paper. And the last paper that I bought is little birds with, this is like lilac I think, or is it hydrangea? I'm not sure. It's a mix. It looks like hydrangea, but it could also look like lilac. And then you've got the wee bluebirds in there. And again, this one has the same texture as the polka dot paper. It's not got the same texture as the parrot paper or the pear paper. So I've got 10 sheets of that. So they're actually down to 10 pence per sheet. So it's only £1 for 10 sheets. And I think that's great value. And I just wanted to share it with you. They do have a whole load of other patterns. They've got like damask and all that kind of stuff, but I wouldn't use it. I'm not into making wedding stationery, and I'm not kind of going down that route. But if you are, it's ideal to be able to pick it up. It's such a great price. So that's me. I thought I would share my paper haul with you. It only just arrived today, and I really love that one and this one, and I think this one will be cute for different projects. So that's my share, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm definitely going to be making a card tonight so that I can share something and put something up on Instagram tonight. So that's my goal, is to make a card. So I'll see you all tomorrow probably. I've still got to do the unboxing of my new die cut machine because I ended up going away last weekend on our girls trip. So yeah, I need to get organised and do my unboxing for that. So hopefully I'll have that up by the weekend. But I wouldn't make, you know, I'm not promising, but you know, fingers crossed. So it's great to be back on YouTube, and I shall see you all soon. Bye for now.